What is up? It's Omar over here, self proclaimed finance guru, and I'm here to tell you that in July 2024, buy Bitcoin at 53k and sell it at 270k. Alright? This is a future prediction, insider stock trading shenanigans. Well, Bitcoin trading, but you know what I mean. And like, don't get fooled by the background. Actually, you should get fooled. I'm not very rich, but I make enough. I'm recording on a GoPro, and look at that. It's Apple Plus. I'm not lying. See, it's a GoPro. It's the creators edition, but I don't have the light on because, well, that's stupid. Because it's day. Alright. Oh, my condo is nice, but my dad pays for it. All honesty in this channel. So, trust me, if you're willing to take that leap of faith, just buy it at 53k. And I know most of you watching this probably can't afford this, but I thought I'd just let you know. And like I can show my friends this video, and he'll be like, "Damn, bro, you made a future prediction." Peace.